Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share 2 DIYs which I made from waste material. Please watch the video till end, and if you enjoy the video then please hit like button and subscribe my channel for more such DIY videos, and let's get started. So our first DIY is this bird themed wall hanging, and to make this I have taken a square cardboard piece and I'm going to cover it using a floral chart paper. You can also use a newspaper if you don't have such printed chart papers. Now I have taken a black chart paper, and using a pencil I'm going to draw the shape of a bird, and then I'm going to cut it using a pair of scissors. Now I'm going to paste this bird cutout over the cardboard piece. And now I'm going to paint a tree branch using black acrylic color. And now to give the finishing effect, I'm roughly painting the edges of the cardboard using black acrylic color. And with this, our super easy and best out of waste wall decor is ready. The second DIY is this beautiful pen holder, and to make this I have taken an empty shampoo bottle and I'm going to remove its labels. And now using permanent CD marker I'm going to mark the lines. After drawing the lines, now grab a cutter and cut along the drawn lines. permanent marker, draw the shape of a face. Now I'm painting the bottle using acrylic colors. For making the flowers, I have taken a small plastic bottle and I'm going to cut its flat portion. Now using the same marker, I'm going to draw the shape of flower and leaves on the bottle. Now using a pair of scissors, cut the flower and leaf from the plastic sheet. And now using a candle and a tweezer, I'm going to give 3D effect to the flower and the leaves. Now start painting the flowers and leaves using acrylic color. To decorate the flowers, I am pasting some beads in the center. Now I am using acrylic colors to make the outline, and then I am going to use the same to draw the eyes and lips. Hot glue, I'm going to paste the flowers on the upper edge of the bottle. same flowers to make the earrings. And with this, our beautiful best out of waste pen holder is ready. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did so, then please hit like button and subscribe my channel for more such DIY videos. Thanks for watching.